Hello everyone, and welcome to a very quick unboxing. Light's terrible, etc, etc. But yeah, this is an unboxing from Moulage, who I'd bought the very rare blue PS10 filter for the S10. Not a whole lot's known about it, but we have that, and we have a very nice Thales fist mic. Grab that out first. Oh wow, you're looking good. Oh damn, really well packaged, I must say. Well done, Moulage, for that. Okay, so it is real steel NATO 6-pin, and it's made by Thales, who are just up the road from me at the Queen Elizabeth University Hospital. Let's have a look at the serial number. Made in the USA, sadly. But yeah, these are very nice fist mics. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. The lowest it'll go. There's not too much of a positive clicky click, but it is really nice. Otherwise, you get the nice big long coiled cable, which is very iconic of fist mics. I think that's a 2.5mm in-ear comms, so I'll need to be on the lookout for some of that. Really strong clip, but the most rare thing we have here, and it feels very loose, so I might as well open this. But this is the blue PS10 canister, as denoted by this little blue sticker. I'll actually get onto more in the unboxing of this. But otherwise, I'm very pleased. Moulage done me a brilliant deal on these, so I'm very happy for that, and thank you, Moulage, for that. I really appreciate that. So without any further ado, I'm going to end the video there, so I shall see you guys in the next one, and massive thank you for 600 plus subscribers at this point. I'm very thankful. I'll do a special video thanking you guys. So anyway, without any further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.